What's going on, team? We locked in $100 on the day, as you can see right here, trading MSTZ. It was a really simple, easy setup. We waited for direction to be more clear. We were very patient. We added, a couple hundred shares at 950 and 951, and then we bought really aggressively down at 936 and at 935. We had a nice average of 957, holding 400 shares, pushed up, and we were able to lock in $100 in, I want to say like 30 minutes of actual trading. It took about an hour for this trade setup to take effect, but we made $100 in 30 minutes today by identifying Bitcoin was at a previous resistance level around 74,000. A very nice double top setup, as you can see, 74,000 got rejected. Another 74,000 right there got rejected. Now we could still see a lot more downside to Bitcoin, but the only thing that kind of worried me a little bit as far as taking this trade is if it would have actually held right here at this moving average, it could have bounced right back up and we would have had to wait just a little longer for this trade to play out. Same with QQQ. We did a great job by identifying QQQ as an overreaction today, pushing all the way up to 603.60, came down, and it's all the way down to 595, which is a previous support level. So again, these are major support levels. We can see not only Bitcoin, QQQ, MSTR all begin to shoot back up at these low levels. That is why I did my part by simply locking in profits here. And yeah, it pushed up a little bit higher. We sold it at 986. We sold it 976 and 975, right? So of course we could have made an additional probably $100 by holding it maybe 5 or 10 more minutes. Could have easily been a $200 day, but again, not important. What matters is that we identified this as a potential trade setup. We waited to take advantage. We got a nice low entry, a nice price per share or average share price, and we sold when it made sense to us. So not a bad trade indeed. It is 9:04 on Friday, and that actually puts us over $400 for the week. So I'll probably be doing another video discussing our weekly wins and going over that in a little bit more detail, what we did good this week, what we could work on and do better moving into next week, because that's what it's all about. Not only are we growing our trading account, we just crossed over $4,100 now, and we started with $2,000 in January. So we literally doubled our account in about 10 weeks, and that makes sense because each week we're locking in about 10%. At 10 weeks, that's 100% in profit, which means we doubled our account very easily from $2,000 to now $4,100. And this is just the beginning, guys. We're going to double it again in another 10 weeks from 4,000 probably to around 8,000. And then from there, again, we're working our way up to $25,000 for this year. So we can have unlimited day trades and get from underneath the PDT rule. So we're no longer a pattern day trader. Once you get to $25,000, then you can have unlimited day trades. And that's where the true scalping and position size and a lot of those different things take into effect, to where not only are we making, $400 in a week, we could be making $400 in a day. And then we could be making $400 in a single hour. And we can go from there, $1,000 days, $2,000 days. It's all about scaling, but understanding how to trade first. Because if you don't understand how to trade, then how are you going to make money? You can't get on a bicycle if you don't know how to ride it. You got to learn how to ride the bike first, and then you could take it on sweet jumps or down crazy hills. But you ain't going to do that on day one. So again, if you're learning and you want to be a part of our team, and you want to, learn how to trade, lock in profits on a consistent basis, then definitely consider subscribing to our channel. And if you want to take it a step further, work one-on-one with me and watch me trade live every morning as soon as Monday, click that first link in the description below. That's going to give you 100% free lifetime access. There's about 200 spots left, so get in now, because if you wait too long, you may have to pay to get in for the same services. Not only are you going to get my live streams every morning where you get to watch me trade live, buy and sell positions, get inside my head as to my thought process behind why I'm taking those trades, why I see potential, why I sell, to lock in profits, support, and resistance levels. You also get to ask me questions, and I answer them in real time. I believe having that real-time value is important compared to somebody who just makes a video once a week or once a month. I make a video every single day live because that is what is going to help you to push yourself to that next level, to help you become a more profitable and successful trader over time. And with that said, you're also going to get access to our Learn to Earn Academy A to Z lesson library. It's going to take you from knowing nothing about the stock market to making you know all the key terms, indicators, support and resistance levels, and a lot of the different ways that I trade. It's going to make a lot more sense to you when you do watch those live streams, when you do actually begin to take your first trade. So you're definitely going to want to join just for that. We're going to be dropping that course at the end of this month. So be on the lookout for that, because you will get that for free for life. And you also get our Discord community. We're just shy of 1,000 members. You get to connect with other like-minded individuals from not only around the country, but in certain places in the world as well. So there might be somebody in our Learn to Earn team community that lives nearby you, and you guys can connect with them and hang out. But nonetheless, it's a great community. Altogether, we have around, I'd say, close to 80,000 worldwide members, not only with our Investing for Beginners community on Facebook, over 7,600 subscribers on YouTube, and of course, almost 1,000 members in our Discord. So there's a lot of resources. There's a lot of people out there who all want to learn and know how to do the same thing, and that's how to be more consistently profitable in the stock market. So again, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any videos that you would like me to make, then definitely comment that below, and I will do my best to make those videos for you. But again, we did a very good job today by identifying pattern, and as you can see here, it's already getting rejected and going back below this moving average. And remember, when in doubt, it's never a bad idea to just sit out, don't take a position at all, wait for confirmation, and understand the overall direction. Don't force trades. If you're uncomfortable with the position you're taking, reduce your position size. Maybe you're go back to paper trading and you're practicing with fake money, or you simply just don't trade that day, right? Just because we're day traders doesn't mean we have to take a trade every single day. So that's what I'm gonna leave you with for today, guys. I am on the laptop. We are traveling. We're staying in a hotel today. So our live stream that we did today, you can go watch it in the Discord. Go back and watch it. Get inside my head as to my thought process behind today's trade of how I made $100 in about 30 minutes. Thank you for your time. Like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note. You guys have a great weekend.